Last episode, you wired a deterministic tool node. The agent could finally act on a real environment, but there's a gap. The model decides the arguments, and a model will hand you a string where you wanted a number or skip a field entirely. Today, you make tool calls typed, so a weird argument becomes a caught error you can retry on, not a crash. Here's the danger. The model emits a tool call, but the arguments are wrong. A price field set to the word cheap, a quantity left blank, without a schema that flows straight into your function and explodes deep inside, or worse, runs on nonsense. Now attach a pydantic schema to the tool. Every argument has a type. When the model's call arrives, LangGraph validates it against the schema before the function body runs. A bad call never reaches your code. It's rejected at the door with a precise error. That rejection is the whole trick. The validation error becomes a message you append to the conversation. Quantity must be an integer. The seeded model reads it, corrects itself, and emits valid args on the next turn. Invalid, caught, retry, valid, a real loop. We run 3 scripted cases. One model gets it right the first time. One fumbles once, then fixes it. One fumbles twice before validating. We count attempts until valid for each. And that count is the truth because the wrong turns are really being rejected by the schema, not pretended. Here's the program. We import the shared harness, define a pedantic byargs schema with a typed item string and a positive integer qty, and bind it to a by tool that runs against the in-memory world. Each scripted case is a list of model turns, 0 or more invalid argument sets, then one valid one. Scripted LLM replays them in strict order. The wrong turns are baked in, so the retries are forced, not random. The validate and retry node is small. It pulls the next scripted turn, tries byargs, args. On validation error, it records an attempt, appends the error, and loops. On success, it runs the tool and stops. We run all 3 cases through the same node, recording attempts until valid into the trace. Then we print the ladder, case label, attempt count, final outcome. Read the terminal. Case A validated on attempt 1. Case B took 2. Case C took 3. Every count matches the number of scripted invalid turns, plus the final valid one. Caught by pydantic, not by us. The hero figure is a bar per case, height equal to attempts until valid, drawn straight from the trace counts. The tallest bar is case C at 3. The honesty caption holds, only the model's words are fake. The schema, the validation, the loop, and the tool are the real API. Typed tool calls turn the model said something weird into a validation error you can catch and retry on. Your agent's actions are now guarded at the boundary. Next, when the agent doesn't just call a tool but writes code, and you run it in a sandboxed exec node.